This is the solar power clamp from Seaward. It's a multifunctional AC-DC clamp meter which measures AC and DC voltage, current and power. It's an easy-to-use, feature-packed instrument designed for efficiency measurements, troubleshooting and maintenance of photovoltaic systems. It can be used to identify faults in PV systems and assess the performance of inverters. Using the supplied DC test leads, DC power measurement is fast and simple. Before commencing any testing on the installation, the array must first be isolated. Turn off the DC isolator. Disconnect the string cables from the inverter, connect the power clamp PV test leads to the string cables and the power clamp, and reconnect the inverter. Turn on the DC isolator and allow it to run the startup sequence. Once the inverter is fully operational, the DC power can be measured. Turn the power clamp to power mode using the function dial. Position the power clamp jaws around the live cable with the display side of the clamp facing towards the array. Press the hold button to store the reading. Turn off the DC isolator and disconnect the power clamp PV test leads. The power clamp also measures AC power. It's important to remember that changes in irradiance level will affect the power output of the system, so the in-plane irradiance at the array should be measured at the same time that the power measurements are taken, using an irradiance meter such as the Seaward Solar Survey 200R. Compare the AC and DC power measurements will give the inverter efficiency. The solar power clamp forms part of Seaward Solar's comprehensive range of photovoltaic testing equipment and software.